Hello, football lovers. Great to all. If it is your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification. So you notify next time I drop the video on this channel, Injection Football TV. So the new data updated you today's date. Bafana coach Hugo Broos said has explained why he did not consider talented midfielder Jayden Adams for the upcoming AFCON qualifiers. Hugo Broos said, "I believe that for every player, representing your national team should be an honor, whether you are a Belgian or Chinese or South African. It should mean something to you. I feel you don't feel that way. Then I'm sorry, but you lack the right mentality. When I was a player, I could call up to the national team, even if I had to run 100 kilometers to be there. I would do it because it was an honor for me. If a young player like Jayden Adams contacts you to say that he wants to arrive later for a personal reason, I'm sorry, but that is not the right mentality. At 23 years old, you need to make the effort to be here. I have exposed a bit of a punishment of him, but this punishment won't last forever. So if you are new here on this channel, please don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification. So you notify next time I drop the video. So please like and please write your thoughts on the comment section.